Being a kid from Pella that went to Central, in my experience, was great because I got to live on campus, so I wasn't living with my parents anymore. I was away, but I still was able to meet a lot of new people. I built my first drone when I was a junior at Central, so I was in the entrepreneurship program, and basically the main idea, the main theme of the class was that you had to actually start a business for real and have, try and meet with real potential customers and make actual sales. And that was kind of the class project. And that's when drones were first kind of coming onto the scene. And my dad was a farmer. And so we thought maybe there's a potential here for an entrepreneurial business with drones and farming. We bought a bunch of different parts from a bunch of different places online, and we spent probably at least a month or two trying to watch YouTube videos and trying to wire everything up and figure out how to put it together. Our first day, I was super nervous. We crashed the drone. There was flashes under the water because the speed controllers were short-circuiting and smoke was bubbling up. So we were like, I think we just stopped and stared at the water for something like 5 minutes, just like jaws to the floor. What just happened? We thought we were gonna have like $1,000 worth of damage on it, but we ended up having to replace the speed controllers, which had short-circuited. So we ended up more like $150. So somehow with the rice, everything, was able to come back on. And so we got lucky there, but it was just a good experience of, tough things are gonna happen. You gotta keep going, keep trying, and eventually it will work out. So I started kind of talking to Shive Hattery about this service that I could provide, and they were interested in that as well. So then it kind of became not only just a marketing, but also a surveying business too. And so yeah, that's kind of how I started working for Shive Hattery. What we use the drone primarily for is surveying and building a 3D model of a site that we're going to do some engineering work. Maybe we're going to design something on it. Maybe we're going to restore a natural area. So we collect all kinds of data with this drone. We'll even use it to fly during construction of a project to make sure things are proceeding according to plan, or to catch issues in the construction progress before they become major problems. Central has been huge, and I'm super thankful and grateful for my experience and the skills and the relationships that I've developed at Central, because there's so many different disciplines that I learned at Central that I use at my jobs. And my Central education really helped develop that mindset of being able to adapt and tackle different challenges and problems.